Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Roblox jailbreak, and today this is a glitch that I will be showing you today. And today is the day for you people. If you want to rob the jewelry store, but it's already robbed. Who said you can't? Who said? Well, in this glitch, it's about the jewelry store, and you could rob the jewelry store when we're robbing it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more glitches on jailbreak, make sure to slam that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We are so close to 30 subscribers and we want to hit it. And let's go ahead and hop right in the video. So guys, we're gonna go in go around here and jump out. Oh my god, what was that like? Boom! We're gonna go in and escape, guys. But there's a girl, Blondie. She's a cop. I think she's... Yeah, that coyote. Don't mess with that girl. She always harasses me. So, it took me over like, not even 10 minutes. Or 11. To escape. Like, to get away from her. Call why I'm recording. And I don't want to get arrested every single time. And I don't want to get arrested. So please don't arrest. I'm trying to show a glitch. Oh my god. A glitch. Hopefully she listens to that. Hopefully she believes it, because it's actually true. Oh. Now guys, let's go ahead and we don't want anyone in our partner. If you want to know this glitch, watch the video. Oh, he wants to come. Feel bad for him, he wants to come, bro. Alright guys, here we go. Oh my god, there's a cop. Wait, isn't that just, did I just see a cop over there? Yeah, that is a cop. What the heck? Why not I pickpocket? No problem. He's lagging. He is lagging. Perfect. No, dude. Thanks. No. Yeah, you got a key card, dang. Saved your life, you two. Oh, going to the jewelry store. Because I told you already. The glitch is the jewelry store. Now, going to the jewelry store like we said. Because I am. Did they just start a robbery? Oh no, now I have to wait until... No way, I actually don't need, because... I can't actually drive, I can't drive. They're all in the Jew. Are they in the Jew? Oh my god. Here comes a cop, No. Oh god, they're still open. Guys, I'll catch you guys when it's open. So I can show you the glitch. I'll catch you guys when it's open. Guys, it's open, and now the glitch begins. Look, you all gotta keep staying here and punch. I think maybe they broke it, but it's okay. If they broke it, oh my god, there's a cop. Cop. Nope. I'm dying. Nope, you getting killed. Cop. Nope. You're getting killed, cop. Nope. Yeah, he escapes. He's escaping. Either way, go please and come back. Alright, perfect, guys. I think now it's time. Come on. Where is it? I think it's broken. They already punched that glass. But the thing is, guys, look, when the glass is here, maybe I'm in the wrong place, but you will get money. Oh, see? I got $500, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but like here, so scared. But I got $500. That's a lot of money, guys. I robbed it. See, guys? Hope you enjoyed that glitch. You can get more, but I know that you can, I think, get by now. It's hard to get more for me. But hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to slam that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you guys like for another glitch. I'll see you guys next time. But before we end the video, I was about to rob a bank again, but the bank's closed. But hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.